See, what we should do is,
Hmm.
first of all, the table name should not be like this, ZSD underscore SDR, we should not give.
Hmm.
We should give the same as standard table what they have given, right? Given as VBAK table, right?
Hmm.
So open parallel VBAK table. Parallel.
Hmm.
Standard table. Open the standard table. Standard table.
Hmm.
Comparison. Let's see here. What is the short description there?
Hmm.
Short description. Short description.
Short description, sales document, header data.
You should do the same thing. Go back your table.
Okay.
So that it is should be very meaningful. What we are going to store inside this table. Copy paste. You can copy paste.
Okay. Hmm.
Right. Save it that now. Now think 1 minute. Enter. Think 1 minute. There is a difference between this table and the standard table. Number of fields. Fields. First field. First field. Check it.
Hmm.
All tab. Check it yourself. All tab and check it yourself. What is missing in your table? First field. Very
MANT.
important. So do you understood what the purpose of that?
It's client number.
Is because the data you are storing inside this table is the client specific data. Sales order, purchase order,
Hmm.
all these are specific to the client. Hence, whatever the tables we create, we must create with MANDT field. MANDT field as a first field.
Hmm.
Good, very good. You copy paste the same, check the standard table, what the data element.
Hmm. Hmm.
Right? Save it now. Check syntax. So hold on, 1 minute, hold on here. Think 1 minute, how to resolve this error.
Structure change. They are not specifying any field, right?
Check it out. What is that error it is saying that?
Hmm?
Try to understand how to resolve that error.
Hmm.
Try to think of. Try to think how to resolve this error. Because you change the table, it is giving that error.
Hmm. Hmm.
Take ChatGPT, no problem. Try yourself. That is what the project training. You can take ChatGPT, no problem. I think you can take it. Or cooperate. Try to
Hmm.
understand this, why this error is coming. How to resolve this error. After resolving, I'll tell you the exact reason. Okay, na?
Hmm.
You resolve, try to resolve yourself.
Utilities, database object, database utility.
Good, good, very good. Good.
Okay. Click adjust database. Where is ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి సార్? చెక్.
It is done right now. It is done right now.
Don't know.
What did you do? Cancel script. Activate and adjust
Activate and
database.
adjust database.
That's all.
Okay.
Enter. Back. See now, table is activated. Now you don't have the error. Right? Activate the table again. One second.
Yeah,
There is no
activate.
error now. See, I will tell you few quickly. I will do some few points about the interview point of view. Okay. Na? Let me share my screen. Question is it mandatory to have MA and DT field for the custom tables that we created? How do you answer this one? How do you answer this question?
For custom tables that we create. Yes, it is mandatory because it saves data for system we are using.
It states that
For the system which we are using, client system.
no, the perfect answer is here. Perfect answer is it is not mandatory, but since our custom tables we use is for storing the business data. Understood? Hello?
Yeah,
Business data example is like materials data, sales, purchase. All this data is client dependent or client specific. And because if you create a data in one client, the data will be available in that client only. Understood? So I'll show you demo. One more client I'll take you access for this purpose only. Remind me in the ping me when it's class. I'll take one more ID for demo purpose. One more user ID. Not user ID. One more client access. Okay. So that you'll get more clarity. It is not mandatory, but since our custom tables we use is for storing the business data, all this data is client dependent. Hence we have to give the first field as MANDT field so that it will specify the data has come into this table from which client. Next question. So can we create a table without MA field? Yes or not? What do you answer for this one?
Can you create a table with a yes?
Right? Because you have done already, right?
Hmm.
Yes, we can. Show me or tell me the examples of the tables which don't have this MA. Tell me the examples of the standard tables, okay? Na?
Hmm.
Of the standard tables which don't have this MA field. Now you think and tell me, or you could take ChatGPT help also. No problem. Try and tell me. Tell me this question. Third question.
Hmm.
Explore yourself.
They have given some transaction codes like T000, T001.
Not transaction codes. So what I'm asking is the table names.
Okay. Which does.
Or otherwise, tell me instead of examples, tell me the standard tables names, okay? Na? Which don't have this MANDT field. Which don't have this MANDT field.
Hmm. Now we are transaction codes చూపిస్తుంది TSTC.
No. Ask. It's not TSTC is a transaction code, right? How do you know it is a transaction code?
Stores SAP transaction codes TSTC.
TSTC the table. Check it in S11.
It's a table, okay.
Yes, check it in S.
TRDIR.
Yes, check it in S11. Check it in practically. Then only you will be understood.
We cannot show on చూపిస్తుంది.
No, S11. In S11,
Okay. Yeah, yes, 11. I clicked change. That's why it doesn't.
you
It's
should
not.
not go for change. You should go for display mode only because standard tables.
Okay. Okay. TSTC, TRDIR.
Did you see that there is no MA field or not?
Yes, it's not there.
Okay. Now, next question is why is there is no MA field in this table? That is the next question.
These are standard tables. Why there is no?
Understood, right? Question. So you found out some tables which there is no MA field, right? Now the next question is why those fields don't have MA entity? That is the point. Next question, right?
The to enable client dependency standard tables which allow
Not to
single SAP
enable,
system.
not
Yeah,
to enable. Try to understood.
single SAP installation to store separate data from multiple business entities. Like it can store not only one client's data, it can store all the clients' data, like multiple clients' data within a same table.
Hmm, okay. Other question. For
Hmm.
example, there is a database table is there. Okay, custom
Hmm.
table or anything, standard table, whatever it could be. Is it a client dependent or client independent?
Custom table is client dependent
Mhm.
and standard tables are client independent tables.
No, no. Both
No?
are same only. There is no difference between the standard table and custom table. Both are client independent only. Got the point? You can note down whatever that you want to
Okay,
value.
but if we are calling data from one single like one single business object, then we are giving that client for the custom table.
Not like that. Huh? See, it depends on the information we are storing. I put this point here, right here.
Hmm.
Not mandatory, but since our custom tables we use is for storing business data. Okay, all this data is client dependent. Hence, we have to give the first field as MANT. Hence, only not a mandatory. Okay.
Hmm.
Hence, we have to give first field as MANT field so that it will specify the data has come into this table from which client? This client, from this client. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Now you open the which table? Open the DD02L table. DD02L table. Open. You can share the
DD.
screen. You
Huh.
can open. Share the screen. DD02L. Table name is DD02L.
DD012.
Oh, correct. Display. Okay. Think 1 minute here. So we don't have to fill MIND, of course.
Hmm.
Right here. Now think in this table what information is going to store. By seeing the structure of the table, we should be able to understand what is the information it is going to store. I mean, what type of data. Is it business data or it is a technical data? What it is going to store inside this table. Question is,
Some technical data.
correct, perfect, very good. Why? Because you see the first field itself is the table name, right?
Hmm.
It stores all the tables in this system, what is available. Okay. Table is not the business data, right? Table name.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hence, we don't need MANT field here because table is client independent.
Okay.
Table you create in one client, it will be available in the other client also.
Hmm.
Click on contents. Click on contents. Contents.
Where it is.
Records there. Oh, that
Hmm.
button. Click on execute. It, okay, it contains all the tables what you created and what SAP has created also. For
Hmm.
example, click on back. Go starting Z table name and star. Z star.
Hmm.
So if you give Z star, think 1 minute what the purpose of Z star?
All the tables with the Z.
Starting with Z,
Hmm.
right? Click on number of entries. Click on that number of entries button.
Hmm.
What is the
Or
meaning of this one?
total, how many records are there?
No, records okay, but in this case, 4567 means
Tables.
tables. 4400, 600 custom tables has been available in this table.
Hmm.
Got the point?
Yeah.
This tables data is not business data.
Hmm.
Table or data element or domain is not business data. It is technical data. All
Okay.
technical data is a client independent. Hence, you don't need a main entity.
Hmm.
Got the point? No.
Okay.
So this table is again I repeat the definition. This table holds tables information, technical data. Technical information is not a business data. Hence, we don't need MA entity field in this table. Got the point?
Hmm.
In this field, we don't need MA entity because the type of the data you are storing inside this table is not business data. It's a technical data. What is the technical data? Program, table, transaction code, data element, domain, all this is the technical data, not a business data. Are you getting now at this point concept?
Hmm.
Right? It's not like whatever the data you know, right? Mara, Marcy, these tables is the business data. This is not a business data. You getting point
This
here?
is a technical data. Hmm. Got it.
Technical data, right? Now open the same way, TSTC also table.
Hmm.
Right?
Transaction code.
Hmm.
So these are custom transaction codes.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Not only custom,
Hmm.
custom standard both will be
Both.
available in
Huh.
this table.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Even DD02 will also is not only for custom tables. It is
It's
for
both
standard tables
standard
also.
and huh.
See, this very interesting concept is everything in the SAP stores in the tables only, either business data or technical data. Only these two types of data.
Hmm.
Technical data, as I said, example is data element or domain. One second, hold on, 1 minute. Hello, Charlie. Charlie, hi. Good morning. Anusha, see the data.
Okay.
Go to the contents. Contents. Contents.
You know.
Contents. Before technical settings.
Okay.
See, what it contains is, it contains all the T codes, whatever the T codes you know. For example, click on back.
Click on
Back button.
Hmm.
How many T codes you know as of now?
SC11.
Go to that. Execute. Click on execute button. Is available or not? What are the other T codes you know? Click on back.
SM30.
Execute. Is available or not? Okay. Any other transaction codes? Every transaction code of SAP will be inside this table. You know MM01, right? Do MM01. Click on execute. Okay. Okay. Other question is, think 1 minute here back. You are giving individual, right? Here. How can I give multiple values here at the same time? Instead of SC11, SC80, SM30 like that, how you can give multiple values here?
Earlier we gave Z star like that. Anything we have means.
The star will be anyway overall it will come. So what I am asking is how we will give
Like
multiple
range,
single values.
any range
Correct,
we have.
correct. Not range, single multiple values. Click that arrow button.
This one.
Arrow button, right side.
This one.
No, right side there is one arrow button, right? In the same screen, right side. Yes, click that. This is a very powerful concept in ABAP. You can give single values here one by one. You can give SC80, MM01, MM02, VA01, VA01, VA02, VA03.
Okay. Click execute.
How? It came, right?
Yeah.
So everything what is there in the SAP business transaction, all the transaction codes will be available. Again, two types of transaction codes. One is the business transaction code. Other one is technical transaction codes. Think of what could be the business transaction codes. What could be the technical transaction codes? Examples. Think.
MM01 is
Perfect. Business
MM01 SC80. Both are business.
No, SC80 is not business. SC80 is technical transaction.
VA01,
Correct.
VA02
Correct. All those are the business transaction codes.
are business.
VA01, 02, 03, all these things. So, technical transaction codes examples are, what could be the examples for the technical transaction codes?
SC16.
Perfect. SC16. What else?
SM30.
Okay. What else? SC11.
SC11.
Important. That is the heart of SAP.
SC38.
SC38. Heart of ABAP. SM30. SC91 also.
SFP.
SC91. All these things.
SFP for creating ALV. Adobe Forms.
Oops. Sorry, Adobe Forms. Yes. Smart Forms. All this. Now click on back here. Give as Jetstar T code. Jetstar and click on number of entries. Anything is fine.
All
Right?
the
This many transaction codes has been created by us.
okay.
Right? Click on back. Click on back again.
Okay.
Again, execute contents. Same
Content. Okay.
contents.
Mm.
Click on get star and number
Mm.
of entries. Get star number of
Mm.
entries. So
619.
619 people has been, I mean, T codes has been developed by us ABAP people in this system.
Mm. Mm.
Okay. So the summary here is these two examples we can keep it. You can keep it for the interview and all point of view. These two tables are the examples where we don't have MANET field. The reason is these two tables holds the data related to
Take
the technical
technique.
information,
Mm.
like a tables or T codes, not a business data. Hence, we don't need MANET field. This is the explanation.
Okay.
Okay, na? So let me share my screen quickly.
Mm.
This two is remembering is enough.
Yeah.
What tables? One is DD02L, okay, and TSTC,
Mm.
okay. Why the above tables don't have MANET? Now tell me what I should answer.
Because
Because
there's carried
those
technical
two
details.
tables store the data not related to business but technical data, okay,
Mm.
like table names, transaction codes. This data is not a business data
Mm.
and it is client independent. That is very important. And these are client independent. Hence, we don't need a MANDT
Field. Mm.
field in these tables. Okay. Okay. Next, other question is, think 1 minute. Program also one information, right? Try to find out program stores in which table. Program names. All the program names. Try yourself.
Mm.
Program names. All ABAP program names. Try yourself. It also stores in a table.
Okay.
Everything stores in the table.
In the kitchen type DD01. No. TRDIR.
Open and tell me. You should open and you should tell practically. You should open S11, check it. You have the tables. Maybe you create some programs. Kada.
Ah.
Check it that your program is available or not.
DIR. Not remember which table I created. Hmm.
Do you have your table and all inside the table? Sorry, do you have your programs and all?
Yeah, only 1, 2 I created.
It is
It
available,
is,
right?
yeah, it's
So click all the programs of SAP standard. Your programs will be available here in this table. Click on back button. All the this. Click on number of entries. You don't have number of entries option here.
here.
See how many columns
10,000.
there? No, not more than that.
Oh, 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. No, more than 1 crore, I think it seems, right?
1 crore. Okay.
So this many programs has been created by either system or by us. Are getting point here? Everything is available in this table only. Click on cancel this button. Click on back button.
Okay.
If you observe this table, also see here, you don't have the main field because the data you are storing inside this table is
Technical
not
data.
business data. Technical data. Okay. You can one more example. I'll share my screen. TRDIR, right? TRDIR. Table name.
TRDIR.
DIR, correct, right? What I written?
Correct.
It stores all the tables of standard and custom. It stores all the T codes, both standard and custom. It stores all the standard programs and custom programs. So the other terminology, the best terminology is which are the ABAP objects of client independent. What do you answer for this one?
Client independent. These technical tables.
What examples you can tell? All R3 repository objects. All R3 repository. It's a perfect terminology. Example. Tell me examples one by one. Tell me one by one. Tables.
Any tables?
Programs.
Okay.
Yeah. What else?
Tables, forms.
Data elements. Let us go first for the SC level. Next. What else?
Data types.
Domain. Oh, how many types of data types are there?
I don't know.
Structure type. Structure type. Table type. But one more is there in SC level. What is that? Range table type.
Okay.
Range table type. What else? What else? SC level low. From SC level, what else fall under this category? All repository objects and day. First is SC level. First thing so. What else is missing in SC level?
Checking log, view.
Oh, all these. Next.
Search help.
Search help.
Log
Both.
object.
That helps both. What is the both? Elementary and
Non-elementary.
collective search. What else? Type groups కూడా ఉంది కదా. Type groups. Log objects. What else? This we have done up to here. Log objects. Next is programs. Executable and include. Right? And function models, function groups, smart forms, Adobe forms. What else? ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి important things. Two things are very important.
Subroutines.
No, subroutine is local.
SC38.
ఇంకేమున్నాయి ఇంకా very important things are there.
Global.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see 24 classes. Right? And one more is there, message class. This is also repository object. Okay, na? Smart forms, I written smart forms and Adobe forms. Okay. Can write text. ఇవన్నీ కూడా all this we call as repository objects. All these repository objects are cross client. Cross client means client independent. Client independent means you create in one client, it will be available automatically for the other client. You don't need to create again. That's the concept. Okay. Next. So anyway, topic has come right now. We will range data type check chesara. Did you try to check it? What is the range data type?
No.
Range data type. Here, if you go to here, we go to here. Here, there are three options will come here, right? ZMH underscore material type, for example. Click on create. So how many options will come here? Three options here.
Data element structure.
Here, one more option is there. You observe it or not? Not here, but inside. Range data type. Can I give as homework? You can try it. I'll give the hint. Okay. No? What are the different global data types we can create using the ABAP dictionary? For this, how do you answer first? Tell me the answer for this.
What are different global data types we create using ABAP dictionaries?
Tell me one by one. What are the things that you know as global data types? Just no చెప్పాను కదా మూడు. What is the first one? One is data element. Second,
Domain.
structure type. No.
Oh, types.
Structure type. Next, table type.
Table type.
Fourth one, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను fourth one.
Range.
Range. One more. SC11 నుంచి. Custom table also one data type only. Even table also. Do you know that? Table also one data type. Right? Suppose if you go to here. What is IT underscore Mara?
Internal table. కాదా?
Okay, think. Write this code. Write this code in SC38.
In SC38?
Write this code.
అర్థం కాలే, ఏమన్నారు?
కోడ్ రాయండి చెప్తాను SC38 లో. So IT underscore Mara, we may think it is internal table generally, right? Okay, I said is not.
Yeah.
How do you prove me? How do you prove? It is not internal table, 100%.
Table.
No, IT underscore Mara. What is IT underscore Mara? It is not internal table. If not internal table, what is the other option? There are only two options, right? With the data statement, only we use for 3 cases only. Not only 3 cases only. One is the internal table. I said no. What is the other two options? With the data statement, okay, we can declare 3 data objects. We call it data objects in ABAP, the terminology. Data objects. One is the internal table. Okay. No, this is not internal table, I said. What could be the other two things that you declare using the data statement?
Workbench we create for
Correct. What you said is correct. What is the next?
workbench.
Work area.
Work area.
Nothing but structure. ఇంకోటి what is the other option? One more option. ఒక మూడు ఈ మూడే బేస్ ఫర్ ABAP to store the data in the runtime of the ABAP program. 3 options, three placeholders of the data. 3 placeholders of the data that will hold in the runtime of ABAP program. One is internal table. Second one is work area. What is the third one? This is the rule for the entire ABAP. What is the other one? Very simple one. You know already. Everyone knows that. Every programmer knows that. Without that, no IT.
Data type.
Data type
Data
is
object.
data objects are 3. ఒకటి internal table. One is internal table.
Header line.
No, that is not a data object. It is a type of internal table. Work area. Third one. Very important. Without this, no IT. In every IT programming language, you have this one. Every IT programming language in this world. Java, C, C++, everywhere you have this concept. To store the data in the runtime. Listen the definition clearly. It will store the data in the runtime, single value. I give the hint. Single
అదే
value.
వర్క్ ఏరియా కదా.
Work area single record kada.
Row.
Not single row. I'm not saying single row. Single value.
Report. Single row.
Record different Records different. Record means single record. Work area. Records means internal table, more than one record. Third one, the whole industry knows that, IT industry people knows that. Same name here also in ABAP also.
Class, object,
No.
instance, method,
No, not
function.
required, right? No. All those is not required. Those are not data store kada. Class lo data store cheyam kada. Method lo data store cheyam kada. Data placeholder in all the programming languages of IT industry. You want first letter? Hint? B.
Variable.
Without that, no IT. Understood?
V. Variable only. Okay. Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Yeah. Now, this one we made it, you get a confusion because we are using IT underscore Mara, right? You may think it is the internal table. No, it's a work area. How do you prove? Go to here. IT underscore Mara hyphen MATNR equal to material number 100. I'm assigning the value. So, what is the exact meaning of line number 9? Line number
Line
9.
number 9.
Oh.
It is you are at that field. You are asked, like you are calling.
No.
Data IT Mara type Mara. No. IT Mara is the work like
Correct.
name
Work
work
area.
area of type from table Mara.
Means what is the type of Mara means?
Data
The
type?
data will come or data types will come, what it comes?
Data type will come.
Correct. Data type or field names it comes.
No, data type it will come.
Not data type, right? All the fields will come. Fields will have data types.
Okay, in all the table which like all the fields in that table it will come
into the structure.
Okay.
IT underscore Mara. There's a lot of meaning difference, right? Now, IT underscore Mara contains all the fields from Mara table. Here. Now, if I go to here, right? You can check it in debug mode best. Check syntax, activate. So one more I'll pass here. Material type, second field is MTRD. Material type is raw material. Check syntax, activate. Put a breakpoint here. Execute. Now check in the runtime how it looks. IT underscore Mara. It's showing a structure or not? It is structure. Nothing but work area. Right? Double click here. ఒక రికార్డ్ స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది. That's why it looks like this here. In the runtime. All the fields will come into here. How many fields ఉంటాయి? Any fields వస్తాయి?
How many are there?
All Mara fields, right?
Yeah.
How do you go to Mara S11? Go to here, database table. Go to here, Mara display. How many fields are there? 352 fields are there. 352 fields will come into this one here. In this, not data fields. Got the point? Where is my program here? I'm debug mode. Yes. To come out of debug, press this button now. Okay. This is the work area. Okay. Not internal debug. So here, what you are using, the table name you are using as a data type. Yeah. So that's why what here my notepad here the question is table also ఒక డేటా టైప్ డేటా టైప్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకా వ్యూ కూడా ఈవెన్ వ్యూ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఏ గ్లోబల్ డేటా టైప్. హౌ డు యూ నో? గో టు హియర్. ఒక వ్యూ చూపిస్తాను. I go to view /4 SC11 ZMA star here. Okay. ఇది ఒక వ్యూ ఇది database view ఇది. This also you can use to declare as a data type. Copy this one here. Go to the program. You can declare here work area underscore tomorrow underscore Marcy, right? Know what is your W underscore Mara underscore Marcy? ఏమవుతుంది ఇది ఇంటర్నల్ టేబుల్ వర్క్ ఏరియా వేరియబుల్ ఇది
వర్క్ ఏరియా
because whatever you give of a type, if this is a table or view, it becomes work area only. Work area only it will become. Suppose if I give IT underscore Mara underscore Marcy type table.
Oh, this will be internal table.
Because the naming we are using this way. Type table of keyword in the because of this keyword it becomes internal table. So why this error is coming? I'm missing comma here. Right? Don't confuse and think because this all very basics, very interesting. Actually, if you know, right, very interesting, and later topics will be very easy. I mean, many people will not be knowing this. I mean, while we are learning that much depth and all, but it will be very more interesting if you know more detail of this one.
Okay.
So 11:11. 1 second, stop the recording. 1 minute.